Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan.
I'm Kaylin.
Kaylin, say what's up.
What's up?
No, I meant they should say what's up to you.
Oh yeah, you guys say what's up to me, but what's up to you too?
How's it going everybody? This is the Rideshare Hub. Kaylin is like, she's like pretty much a guest star on this channel now. She comes on pretty much every single week, so thanks for coming on the show.
Of course, always.
How are you enjoying it so far?
Oh, I love it. Nothing better.
Nothing better.
Learning some new information every time.
Yeah, so basically we are going over my car. This is just a car review, car tour video. Kaylin's the passenger in this case. Actually, that's how I met Kaylin. She was my passenger, and so
history.
that's how we know each other. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm the driver, so I'm gonna basically show Kaylin my car and show you guys, and then I want her to react to like my Uber car setup, Lyft car setup.
I'm gonna judge him and see if it's, you know, up to my expectations of an Uber.
Just a fair warning, guys. Like, here, I'll just show you. This is not an amazing car. Like, this is, like, you can even see right off the bat, like, it's pretty dirty, but this is what I use. This is the condition I use it in. I don't have a brand new car. I'm not driving a 2020. This is a 2011 car. So, yeah, before we get into the video, if you can do us one little favor and follow us on TikTok. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm like ready.
And give
like it and subscribe.
Like and
comment below what you like, what you
yeah.
don't
If
like.
you're not
we'll
yet,
see what you like though.
What you like. If you're not yet subscribed, definitely subscribe. We're posting videos almost every single day about ways to be a better Uber and a Lyft driver and ways to make more money too. As you can see, I'm wearing the Play Activist shirt.
Why are you wearing the Play Octopus shirt?
Because I like money. And I know that they do too.
And what's Play Octopus again?
Play Octopus is a tablet you can put in your car. I have it in my car. I'll show you in a bit. But they can download it too. You can download the Play Octopus and start making up to $100 extra per month if you use my code in the description down below. Rideshare Hub. So without further ado, let's show the car off. Do you want to? I mean, this is a 2011 Ford Escape XLS. This is the cheapest of the cheapest Ford Escapes. This is not a fancy car. It's not a hybrid. Let's just do a quick walk around. You want to be like the car girl, like in the like ooh ah.
Ooh, ah.
All right, we're gonna do a walk around just so you guys can see. I honestly haven't gotten my car washed in a few weeks, but what I do, which you guys will notice in a second. Hi, are you hiding my license plate?
Ooh, he has the sticker both on the front and the back. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll get into all the stickers in a second. I just want to do a quick walk around though and just show you guys my car. Very simple. Yeah, as you can tell, like, it's pretty dirty. This is not the cleanest car in the world. I even have like little dead bugs on the car. No front license plate, which is technically, well, never mind. I don't want to say that's illegal because people will roast me. They'll probably report me. So yeah, let's just hop right in. Let me show you guys, these are the Lyft stickers that I have. First and foremost, I like to keep everything up in the front, very clear view. They do say in when you sign up to be an Uber driver to keep them on the passenger side. I know some people like put them in random spots too. But yeah, and then I do also keep them in the back as well. Do you want to open up the trunk here? Oh, is it open? Nice. And then I keep them on the inside too, right there. That way people can't come by and rip them off if they're on the outside. Yeah. So let's just go around to the front and I'm gonna show you the inside of my car. Maybe, do you want to go on the driver's seat?
I would love
And I'll kind of explain to them what my setup. Okay, so this is my car setup here, guys. It's just easier if I show you guys like this.
Matches my outfit.
Oh, it's literally everything matches your outfit.
I love it.
That's a sick outfit, by the way. Yeah. Let's just turn it on. I can show you guys how many miles are in the car. Can you see that? 130,000. Well, the door's closed. 130,000 miles on the car. It's a lot of miles on the car, right? I mean, it's not an insane amount, but it's also not.
It's been driven.
I also do not recommend driving a new car for Uber and Lyft. You're gonna rack up miles on your car's gonna depreciate, and when you go to trade that thing in or sell it, you're gonna be upside down your loan if you're financing it, or you're just gonna lose money in general. So, yeah. This is why I like to do a tour of my car. It's a used car. This is like, you should definitely use a used car. I bought this thing for $5 grand, 5,000 bucks. And I actually did buy it on a loan, which I do not recommend at all. But I paid it off, and that's a fun fact. I started driving rideshare to pay it off, and I did. So, yeah. I have this phone mount. The phone mount's pretty cool. Here, do you know how to set it up? You can put my phone in there if you want. Yeah, this is a must. Don't show my texts. This is a must if you're driving rideshare. You need a phone mount in your car, so it shows the GPS.
Then it's hands-free.
Yeah, I always keep my phone plugged in. I have an old iPhone 7, so I always need it charging or else it'll die. So that's kind of what mine looks like. And then I also have another charger here. This is my, well, this is a Bluetooth setup, although I do have my Bluetooth setup here too. What's your current favorite song?
Justin Bieber, Intentions.
Oh,
so good.
Yeah? I haven't heard it yet.
You haven't heard it? He came out with a new album.
I know. I haven't heard it yet though. I need to check it out. No, not gonna get copyright today. So yeah, and then I have also this setup here, which goes back to the Play Octopus tablet, which we can just show. Kayla knows all about the tablet.
Oh, I love it.
Let's hop in the back seat, and then you can tell them what it is. So yeah, Kayla's the passenger. This is how it's gonna get. When they get in, they're gonna be like, "Oh, what's that there?"
Tablet. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay. So you get to choose as a passenger between 5 different games to play, and you can win a $25 Amazon gift card if you're the top scoring of the day.
Yeah.
And also you
as the passenger.
As
yeah.
a passenger, and also as you drivers, you can earn up to $100 a month from having your passengers play this. So it's a no-brainer, and it's actually so fun.
Yeah.
It's my favorite. I just sit in here and just, you know.
Kayla loves the trivia games.
It's so fun.
It is fun. I had a driver the other day who had it.
What state is this? Texas? What movie is this? Back to the Future?
Okay, we gotta get on with the video.
Okay.
We gotta get on with the video. I swear, passengers will become addicted to these games, guys. And honestly, really quick question. If you had a driver who had this, do you think it'd be more inclined to like have a better experience and
I would definitely
rate them higher, tip them higher?
Entertainment. Not only are they driving you, but they're entertaining you.
Yeah, it's free as well.
Like, that's a steal.
Yeah.
Even if it wasn't free, I'd pay money for this.
Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, this is a pro tip. If you're a driver with this thing and your passenger asks you, "Oh, you know, did you set this thing up yourself, or is this a company?" You don't have to tell them everything. You can just say, "Oh yeah, you know, I set it up myself for you to enjoy." And they might even think in their head, "Oh crap, this guy spent money on this. I should probably tip him," even though it is for free. So just
we don't know that.
Yeah. We can turn this off for now. Let's finish up with the car tour though. The back seat, legroom wise, what do you think?
Pretty good.
It's decent?
Yeah.
This is another pro tip, guys. Stay right there. This is what I always do whenever I'm driving. I pull this seat all the way up all the time. This is like a limo driver, or like, what are those fancy, you know those old school limos that are like, not limos, but they're like town cars?
Okay.
Like fancy people, like back in the day used to get like drivers. Yeah. The thing that they would do is always pull the seat all the way up. I gotta clean that out. But you should not have that in there. And that way you have hella legroom, right?
I could put like my bag and still.
Yeah, and still be. And then if someone wants to sit in the front, you know, just be like, "Oh, hold on a second, let me pull that back for you." So, yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I always keep these things in here. This is a charcoal bag. Yeah, you want to hold it up. It doesn't smell like anything. It's actually a odor eliminator, and it's air purifier.
So if someone comes in all smelly, I'll just...
One of the bad things about driving rideshare, guys, I know it's kind of gross, but you're gonna have smelly people come in your car. And not just like smelly people, but as it's natural for people to produce odor, right?
You know, they might be coming back from the gym, you don't know.
And even if it's not bad odor, even if it's perfume, even if it's their deodorant, when you have a bunch of different smells all the time, it's gonna like create kind of a weird smell. So you want something that purifies it. I also drive with the windows down in between my rides. So when if I'm like picking somebody up, I'll kind of air out the car a little bit just so it doesn't get all musty in there. Trust me, I've gotten picked up by Ubers in really, really gross smelling cars because they don't, I don't know, they don't realize it. And also if you get your car, someone throws up in your car, get it detailed. Don't just clean it out. This is another thing. Car freshener. This is a somewhat controversial topic. Should you have a car freshener in your car? Let's put that on mute.
I say absolutely.
Yeah. Should you have a car freshener in your car? Yes or no? A lot of people will say, "Oh, I don't want my passengers to, I don't want it to be too strong." I keep something very, very light, and I actually buy the ones that have like a 30-day expiration. They recommend you to throw it out after 30 days. I just keep them in because it's very like slight. It's not overbearing, like, so it's technically expired, but it still has a soft smell to it. What do you think?
Soft
and there's
smells like dessert.
There's a couple in there, right?
There's two, and then he has one hanging as well.
There's two, and then I have one hanging up there as well.
Good stuff.
Yeah. So yeah, let's go to the trunk now. Show you guys what I have in the trunk. This car actually, guys, is a very popular taxi car. Like a lot of taxi companies use the same exact model because this is a mid-size SUV. It's not huge, so my gas is still like almost 30 miles per gallon, but it has a lot of space inside. So it's good for airport trips and stuff. And yeah, you can fit a ton of stuff in there. Here, show me.
Your time to shine.
Look at this. Hella legroom.
I could pack all my bags in there if I'm going to the airport.
Yeah, you can chill. And even if you really want to, guys, if somebody, I don't know, has a ton of stuff, you can, well,
sit it back.
I have to, hold on. Let me just do it really quick. Entertain them.
Ooh, ah. Ooh.
Yeah.
He's adjusting. Oh, cool. They could like fit a whole bicycle in there. Exactly. And a family of 10.
I actually had a passenger who had a bike. And
that's cool that you could accommodate
normally
them.
I would say like heck no. Like no, I'm not gonna like transport a bike. I'm not like a U-Haul. But she was super, super nice, and she was just by herself, and it was a pretty long ride. So I said, hey, you know what? Fine. Yes, I'll put your bike in my car.
That's
I was
awesome.
just feeling nice, and she was, I mean, whatever. Sometimes you just feel like going out of your way. She was getting picked up at a therapy session too, and I was like, you know what? I just feel like being an extra good person. Was I getting paid extra to transport her bike? No, but I just did it anyways. And you guys know me, I don't rely on driving for my income. I just do it as a way to earn cash on the side. So it's not like, I don't know if that means anything, but that's, I guess when I drive, I'm not like, oh my gosh, I need to be like getting tons and tons and tons of rides. I just kind of do it for fun, and I like the extra cash. So yeah, that's the trunk space. Anything that I'm missing, Kayla?
I say you did good.
Yeah?
I'm sold.
Oh yeah, I did want to also say, try to not show the license plate. You can see the outside of the car is like, I wouldn't say it's dirty, but it's definitely not clean. Like there's, here, can you show that? Like
there's some, yeah.
There's some dirt. There's a layer of dirt on here. I even have like little scratches on here. There's little scratches. Like you can come around here. There's little like tree sap, bird or fly or insects. You can come around here. It's not the cleanest car in the world. You don't want to. It's just like, it's when you have a, I don't know, a maintenance guy or somebody coming to do maintenance on your house or whatever. When he pulls up in a super fancy car, it's kind of a bad sign because they're kind of gonna get dings and scratches all over the car. And it's the same thing with Uber and Lyft. Your car's gonna get dirty. People are gonna put in their dirty shoes. You probably don't want to be driving a brand new Mercedes because your car's gonna get ruined. You kind of want to drive a car you don't really care about. It's kind of like you, Kaylin, when you go and do paint or art. You know, you don't want to dress in super fancy clothes, right?
I don't want to get paint on it.
Yeah, so
with all my painting sessions.
with all your painting sessions.
I'm always just, you know.
Hella painting. But what I do say, guys, is you want to focus on the inside of your car, keeping the inside clean. So, boom. Can you hold that?
Love to.
You do want to focus on keeping the inside of your car clean. Like, obviously it's fine if there's little things like little crumbs in here, but just pick out the little crumbs. Get a little vacuum. You can get a little hand vacuum for like 20 bucks. But yeah, keep it clean. Focus on the inside, not the outside. That is my big tip. So that is it. That's how you become a 5-star Uber and Lyft driver. Kaylin, what do you think?
I say he did a great job. I would be very happy to accept a ride from this man.
You'd be happy to accept the ride?
Or pay for a ride, I guess.
So that's it for today's video, guys. That is my Uber and Lyft car. Let me know what kind of car you guys drive for Uber and Lyft, or what you think might be the best car. Is a Toyota, a Prius, a Honda Civic? Honestly, it's a cheap car. If you're thinking about buying a car for Uber and Lyft, get a cheap one, like a $5,000 one. That's the best way to do it. And then you can stretch too. I actually did see your TikTok where you were like,
follow me on TikTok, everybody.
Where you were like stretching or something. You were like stuck in your pose.
Oh, it was pretty good, right?
Yeah, it was great. No, it wasn't.
He lied. He commented. I know it.
It was funny, all right? So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Any last words?
Keep your car clean.
All right.
Inside only.
Cool. Bye, guys.
See you guys.